Let's start with how to prepare the juice. The items needed are 1. Ginger powder, 2. Lime, 3. Honey, 4. Warm water, 5. A clean cup. Step 1. Add 2 teaspoons of ginger to the cup. Benefits of ginger. Blood flow. Ginger has been shown to improve blood flow, which is important for sexual function in both men and women. Stress reduction. Stress and anxiety can negatively impact sexual desire and performance. Ginger has been shown to have calming effects and may help reduce stress levels. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation in the body can contribute to erectile dysfunction in men and vaginal dryness in women. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce inflammation and improve sexual health. Hormone regulation. Ginger may help regulate levels of testosterone and estrogen, which are important hormones for sexual health in both men and women. Energy and stamina. Ginger has been used as a natural energy booster for centuries and may help improve stamina and endurance, which can benefit sexual activity. Step 2. Add 1 teaspoon of natural honey to the cup. Benefits of honey. Natural honey regulates estrogen and testosterone. Energy booster. Honey is a rich source of carbohydrates, which provide a quick source of energy. This can help improve stamina and endurance during sexual activity. Increased libido. Some people believe that honey may help increase libido due to its natural sugars and amino acids, which can help stimulate the production of sex hormones. Natural antibacterial properties. Honey has natural antibacterial properties that can help prevent infections, including sexually transmitted infections, STIs, which can negatively impact sexual health. Step 3. Cut 1 lime and squeeze out the juice and sieve it into the cup. Benefits of lemon. Lime juice enhances erectile dysfunction, increases blood flow, soothes constipation, optimizes testosterone, boosts sex drive. Step 4. Add warm water to the entire mixture and stir thoroughly. Take it 2 times daily for 1 week with little exercise, and it works best on an empty stomach before breakfast. And the second dose should be taken at night before bed. And it works best when it's warm. If this content is helpful, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe for more interesting uploads. If you have any allergies to the ingredients used in this video, please refrain from using them. This channel will not be held responsible for any health issues that may arise as a result of using the ingredients. It is recommended that you consult with your doctor before using them to ensure that they are safe for you.